The government had indicated that they could actually give sovereign guarantees to these private investors. But as time went on, it was realized that because these are private investors, and once you give them sovereign guarantees, that sovereign guarantee adds up to the total debt of the country, and it works out to reduce the amount of money that the government can be able to borrow from outside. So the government thought it's not wise to do that, and it came up with an alternative solution, which is what we are working on, and that is the IDA guarantee. IDA and MEGA guarantee combined together. So that process, the change from the sovereign guarantee to IDA MEGA guarantee, took a bit of time, and therefore the power plants were delayed. We would actually be talking about having those power plants almost supplying power at the moment, but that has not been possible because of that delay. It's not like what we have had in the past. This is a management program, just to ensure that we do not switch you off, and we had not told you that we are going to switch you off. It is a customer-friendly program. In fact, most of the customers have been requesting that if we could tell us at what time that we are going to go off, then it makes a lot of difference. This problem, which as you say has even been explained about the various reasons that brought about it, has nothing to do with the tariff. It's mainly about the available generation which we, Kenya Power, can be able to use to supply the demand out there. And, besides reducing the transmission losses, you also improve the stability, the voltage, which you have talked about within that region. In Nairobi, we are putting 3 power plants. We are putting 2 in Athi River and 1 in Thika. Those really will help, because Nairobi is the main demand is actually here in Nairobi. So when we put in power plants within Nairobi, it helps to boost the voltages and even to create a stable system. However, there are limitations, as you all know, that the environment, the impact on the environment will not allow for many power plants to be located here because of the pollution and many other factors. It is on that basis that we've just been able to get those 3. And the other thing is, most of the green energy are not available within Nairobi, apart from Gong, where we are getting some wind plants. And we already have 6 megawatts. We are going to get additional wind power from Gong in a short while. KenGen is actually partnering with investors in Spain so that they can be able to get extra 26 megawatts on wind.